Sa darating na Huwebes dito po sa GMA News TV, 1 p.m. Letran kontra San Sebastian sa pagpapatuloy po ng ating first conference ng Shakey's V-League Season 10. Rina Villamor, what do you have?
Yes, in that last time out, the Lady Bulldogs were reminded to show consistency rather than complacency. Sabi nga ni Coach Edget kanina sa kanila, huwag kayong masyadong maging mabait sa mga kalaban nyo dahil sasamantalahin kayo nito. Even Dean Santiago apologized to the team earlier dahil masyadong ang malakas ang mga tapo na binigay niya in that third set. Now, there are three things important for the Perpetual team: power, presence of mind, and patience to push this game to a fifth set. Back to you guys.
Well, Sandra tried to do a power tip. Ang problema, nandun yung power naman ng NU. Ito si Jaja Santiago denying her.
So, Noel, I tried to compute based on my memory. 7.3 feet.
7.3 feet. In 7 feet 3 inches yung net.
Yeah.
Parang pag dumidikit si Jaja doon, parang konti na lang eh. Sabi ko, I'm sure it's more than 7 feet.
Kasi 2.24 meters according to Coach
Mac. Makipuela, yes.
Divide ko by 0.305.
Bahala ka sa buhay mo.
No, serious.
Kaya ka ako sportscaster.
Feet multiplied by 0.305 equivalent meters.
Okay. If you say so.
Certain things you learn from school,
So,
you know.
so 7 feet 3 inches. Please correct us yung mga nasa Twitter
please.
world.
We're trying lang. We used to know all these numbers. No?
De Los Santos across. Joy Cases pinadaan sa ulo ni Ordaz.
Again, Joy Cases really the bright spot for itong Perpetual.
Right. And Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Arian Arganin serving. Reyes.
Pero maganda rin yung hugot ni kay Argarian towards the end of the
Right.
third set. No?
Yung inupo si Guillermo.
Oo.
Cases, Reyes, De Leon, combination, Aganon. Nice dig that time by Sartin. Still kept alive, however. Aganon.
It's like it was out.
Lahat yata Aganon na ngayon. Here is Cases. Nice dig by Pablo. Kept alive by NU. But, is there a lifting violation somewhere? Yes.
Well, nagbali itong NU pero
kay
wala pa
Arganin,
rin.
kay Aganon yun, yung lifting. 11-8. Zone 1 daw pupuntahin yung... Sino nasa Zone 1? Si Reyes
Pablo.
pa rin eh. Kahit na anong gawin mo. Ayan na.
Wow.
Dindin again. Pero despite the brilliant game of Dindin, he's got about 20 points already at this point. Behind pa rin ang NU dito sa fourth set.
Pero ang ganda na naman ng set ni
Oo.
Ruby.
Ruby De Leon playing almost flawlessly dito. Let's see if her serve also is good. Cases! Wow! Yan ang gusto ko malaman kung ilang puntos na. Joy Cases since the third set has been phenomenal para dito sa kupunan ng Perpetual.
Yun ang that's a good example of a player. You don't really care kung gaano kantangkad yung mga blockers mo. Gawan mo ng paraan.
Right. 12-9. Sandra De Los Santos going back to her regular serve. And it's still a good one. Aiko Ordaz dropping it in the middle of nowhere.
That's right. She did the same thing that Perpetual has been doing sa NU, no? Off speed lang to the center. A dose of their own medicine.
Dindin Santiago. Top scorer, game high scorer actually. Good serve. Sartin gets to it. Argarin, Tubino. De Leon, one-hand set for Aiko Ordaz. Diaz. Tubino on the delay. Gumagalaw yung ating net. Still no call. Cases across. Dindin is there. Ruby De Leon to Jaja. And dug up there by Sartin. Hindi na maabutan ni Condada yon. Isa na lang po ang abante rito ng Perpetual.
That's right. Santiago killing that for NU. They needed that.
Right. 12-11. Dindin Santiago serving. And that one goes long. So error na naman para dito kay Dindin. Pinupuri natin kanina yung kanyang service game na may tatlong error na siya.
Habis yun, nabanggit kasi natin.
Ito si Joy Cases, kanina pa natin binabanggit. Kanina pa maganda nilalaro sa service. Let's see if that continues right now. And it does. 13-11. Perpetual. Aiko. Yes.
He does it for Ordas. You know, the open spikers, in fairness to NU, you know, they have been supporting the center, the middle blockers very well. You have Ordas, Pablo.
And sometimes Minaganon also. Pero again, isipin mo, nandiyan pa si Kaine Pomoseno.
Oo nga eh.
Oo, Kaine Pomoseno, of course, not in this game. Nagtatrabaho na rin kasi si Kai. And Tubino misses. Tied at 13.
She is part of the lineup. Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Si Kai she actually played in that last game of NU. Aganon. Keeping Dadang on the bench, actually. April 13. Kept alive by Dindin.
Natawa si Dindin sa sarili niya.
Oo. Condada. Argarin down the middle for Jane Diaz. Argarin one more time. Tubino naman ngayon. Ate Ruby going to Myla Pablo over the defense.
Free ball.
Free ball given up there by Sartin. Ruby, Jaja, nice block by Tubino. One more time around. Myla from the open. Tubino again at the scene. Condada, Argarin, Tubino on offense.
Good rally we're having.
Dindin trying to drop it from behind the line. Jane Diaz, haba nitong rally.
Oh.
Back set, masyado malapit sa net. Buhay pa rin para sa NU. Ruby gets it across. Argarin, Sartin.
Oh. That's the perpetual also that we know, yung palaban.
Right. Kumbaga sila yung Adamson ng NCAA,
Oo.
di ba?
Correct.
Not that tall, but very feisty, especially the pint-sized phenom. Now, Jane Diaz, labas dila kasi mahaba daw yung rally.
That's true. And you know that the smaller players exert more effort.
Right,
diba,
kasi
pag jump.
mas maraming din, pati yung paghabol.
Oo.
Pablo, ganun lang kasimple yung volleyball sa inyo.
So finally, you know, NU gets one across. Ang Perpetual, they've been blocking better talaga from third set.
Right.
Down here to the fourth set.
Tied at 14. Aiko, Urdas, serving. Diaz, Argarin, Tubino, Pablo, De Leon. Pablo again, blocked by Tubino. Tubino keeping it alive. Argarin, Sartin. Dug up by Urdas. De Leon attacking. Argarin setting up Tubino. Kept alive by Urdas. Reyes.
Another long rally.
Right, Dindin. Argarin, running attack. Tubino. De Leon keeping it alive.
Oh.
Ayan na. Oh, palapit na palapit yung bola sa net. Another long rally. Diaz. Tubino, pababa na pababa yung lundag. Ruby De Leon. Argarin. Sartin. May tumama daw sa bola. Check ball against Ruby De Leon.
You gotta look at Tubino. Sabi mo, pababa na pababa. Yung last, hindi na talaga tumalon.
Si Ruby kumapit bigla sa kanya tuhod. Sabi, teka muna, matanda na tayo. But that was a spirited rally by both squads. 15-14. Balik ang kalamangan dito sa Perpetual. Tubino, probably glad to be back, to be in the back line right now. Jaja!
Nice one for Jaja.
Jaja Santiago tying us up at 15. Here it is, 6'4" coming at you. Boom!
Ang ganda rin ng reception ng NU at that play. Ruby De Leon had the whole day to make two with that.
Right. Jaja, Diaz, Argarin, Sartin. Again! April Sartin is finding spots na walang katao-tao para sa kupunan ng NU. Lamang po ng isang Perpetual. Second technical timeout, set number 4.